Hello, boys and girls. Now we are going to look at Miss Costas' Lesson 8. In Lesson 8, you are to reread the story, Charlie's Crocodile Escape, which I will reread for you so you don't have to go back to the other video. And then on slide number 12, there are some questions to answer from it, and I will read you those questions after I read you the story. So let's go back and into slide number 9 and again read Charlie's Crocodile Escape. Charlie felt fear crawl up his spine as he tiptoed toward the lake. Crafty, sharply scaled crocodiles are known to inhabit these misty, muddied waters. Crunch! Another human skull snapped beneath his feet. Charlie was playing with fire. He knew that crocodiles were dangerous. However, he had no choice. He had to be as brave as a lion. Charlie waded into the murky brown water. Was this Wonka's chocolate river? No, it smelled like rotting eggs. Suddenly, a humongous crocodile slithered from the lakeside and swam at 1,000,000 kilometers an hour. Charlie saw the ripples in the water and caught a flash of the croc's eyes, which stood out like menacing table tennis balls. Charlie's heart became a robotic hammer. The croc was catching. He's a bullet, thought Charlie. Sharp, triangular teeth closed on his legs. Just as Charlie grabbed the land with his hands, Charlie rapidly turned around and kicked the croc in the head while thick, mangled reeds twisted around his body. The croc retreated, and Charlie breathed a huge sigh of relief. I am breathing relief as well to know that Charlie didn't get eaten by a crocodile, because that would have been a terrible end to this story. All right, so now I'm going to go down to slide number 12, and the directions say reread Charlie's Crocodile Escape, which we just did, and answer the following questions. So number 1 says, go back and read line 1 of the story. What does the personification tell you about Charlie's situation? Line 1 of the story says, Charlie felt fear crawl up his spine. Number 2, read line 4 from the story. Charlie was playing with fire. He knew that crocodiles were dangerous. Based on the story, what does the expression Charlie was playing with fire mean? Number 3, go back to the story and read lines 8 through 11. Let's do that together. Charlie waded into the murky brown water. Was this Wonka's chocolate river? No, it smelled like rotting eggs. Suddenly, a humongous crocodile slithered from the lakeside and swam at 1,000,000 kilometers an hour. Charlie saw the ripples in the water and caught a flash of the croc's eyes. All right, so that is lines 8 through 11. Now the question is, which of the following words could be a synonym? Synonym, remember, is a word that has the same meaning. For the word rotting in the simile, no, it smelt like rotting eggs. A, dancing, B, decaying, C, decreasing, or D, duck. Number 4, identify the metaphor at the end of line 11 and write it on the line. What is the meaning of this metaphor? Let's read line 11 together and see if you can identify the metaphor. Line 11 said, Charlie saw ripples in the water and caught a flash of the croc's eyes, which stood out like menacing table tennis balls. So identify the metaphor, and then on the second line, you will write the meaning of the metaphor. And then all that's left to do is the cool down, which you guys can do yourself. So I hope these videos are helpful. If you have any questions or you're not sure about something, you can always reach out to me or Miss Costas. Hope you guys had another great week. I miss you so much, and I wish that we were all in school together. But until then, I guess the videos are what we have. So feel free to take a video and email it to me if you want, or you can text it to me. And stay inside, stay healthy, stay sane, and I'll see you next week.